Hello my beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, we are going to be making this main purse, and the measurement I'll be using is 8 inches by 14 inches. So 8 inches wideness and 14 inches length. So the next time I'm going to be making this purse, I'm going to be increasing my measurement, and because I discovered that the purse is not too big and the wideness is not enough, so I'm going to be increasing it maybe to 11 wideness and 16 for the length. Now I'm going to be cutting that. I've actually cut my own piece, and I cut out the lining as well. The exact same measurement of the body is the exact same measurement of the lining. Now for the handle of the bag, I'll be making use of 1.5 because I don't want the handle too big. So I'll make use of 1.5 by 12 inches, and after that I'm going to be folding it into two, just like that, and I'll be sewing it at the both sides. Then after that, I'm going to be attaching my zip at the I'm going to be attaching my zip to the body of the bag, and after then I'll be attaching my lining as well. The right side of the zip will be facing the right side of the material, and the same thing for the lining as well. And after that, I'm going to be top stitching. So after top stitching, I'll be inserting my zipper head, and after that I'll be removing after that I'll be folding the the leather into two. I'll be making use of my binding clip to be doing that. You will see it. I'll be making use of my binding clip to do that. So I'm going to be removing a 0.5 because the down part of the purse is not too big. It's not really big. So I don't want to use one by one because I felt like one by one will be too big for the bag. So I'll be making use of it 0.5, not up to 1 inch. You can make use of anything you want depending on what you want, but for me I felt like I'm actually okay with that. 0.5, and after that I'll be cutting it out. You take a measurement of 0.5 at the up side, 0.5 at both sides, at the up and the down part, and you're just going to cut it out. So after you're done with the cutting, we are going to start our sewing just like that. You're going to sew from one end to another, and at the other side. So I cut out a 3 inches from the from the measurement from the handle I sewed earlier. I'm sorry about that. So I cut out 3 inches, and I insert it to the to the material before closing that part down. And at the other side of the bag, I'm going to be closing that as well, but I'm not going to be sewing the whole as you can see, I left some inches at that part because that is where I will be turning in the material. Like I'll be turning the whole bag in, so I'll make use of that small the small space to turn the material in. So after that, you're going to close the down part. So that's the space we left earlier at the lining side. We are going to make use of it, and we are going to turn the purse. So after that, I'm done with that. You're just going to close that side and we are done with our purse. So guys, so we are working on the handle part of the bag. So I'll be inserting that strap into I don't know, maybe you guys call it a hanger, or so I'll be inserting it inside that, and I'll be sewing it just like that. And guys, we are done with the bag. So I will advise you, if you are making, I'm going to be putting it inside that to your words, because to your preference. Because for me, I actually felt like the purse is not too big, especially if you're making it for a customer. So this is just a tutorial class. So guys, please, if you are new to my channel, kindly like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you find this video interesting, comment, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you another time. Bye bye. Thank you.